Every once in a while. That dog wanted to eat you, Mr. Freckles. Oh, thank you for the heart. Good morning, K66. I hope you guys are having a good morning. Oh shit, this guy's painting on the window. The cop drove by and didn't even stop him. Did you see that? He just rode on that window, you guys. Yeah, he rode all over their window. He's riding all over their windows. You guys see what's going on here? This guy is totally marking up their whole windows. He's writing on this business's windows.
Hey, what's Coach P's third nomenclature of?
Do what happen?
What's Coach? Not Coachella, but Coach Curtis of how are you saying? What's that? John. What's up, buddy?
I'm just filming, you guys.
You hear that lovely lady said you love me? Oh, which one? Every single one of them. Oh, okay.
He's a good kitty. His name is Mr. Freckles. Well, when they need that for evidence. If you guys have fun on my live today, this live is probably going to be evidence for somebody since the guy's writing on the windows. Mr. Freckles just found some birds, huh, Mr. Freckles? You guys want to see some fun stuff? Hello, Willis, Texas. I hope you're having a good day. Wait, so the cat isn't there anymore. We got a cat bird.
chainsaw chains. And I started off with Fairview Road, and I cut through all the way to Ship Road.
Did you guys see it in the beginning of the live? I'm going to turn it off so I can get a new one. Hold on.